friends, I hope you all are good. I hope you remember something. Yes, this is our DIY clock that we colored in our previous video. Today we decided to complete and learn about time. Baba said that time is very important. As you can see, Minu is really excited to play with this clock. So let's get started and complete our DIY clock. We need to write numbers in our clock. Did you know how many numbers we use to make a clock? 12. It's a 12 digits on clock. Finally, we complete our numbers writing. Minu, not letting anyone to work, you're so naughty, sister. So like this we can move both arrows to learn timing. Baba teach me, but it's so difficult. Now my time. Minu, not let me to try this. We have won another amazing clock. Let me show to my all friends. Minu again tried escape with clock. Let to show. This clock have a sweet sound system. Minu love this little clock, me too. Enjoy with dance. I feel sleepy. Minu also tried to sleep, so funny. So time dance, sometime sleep, sometime fun. This clock show you time to wake up, time to breakfast, study, playing lunch, dinner, bedtime, bath time. I hope you like this clock to like us. Thanks for joining us. We come back soon with an amazing learning video, because learn with fun. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Bye bye.